I'm Darryl Markowitz, the blacksmith here at the Wareham Forge. This short little video is going to show some steps that went into the formation of this particular Viking Age tool. This is a large ship timber broadaxe that's illustrated on the Bayeux tapestry. The first step is to take a slitting chisel and drive that down into the center of the block from both sides. Hopefully these strokes will match up in the center and give a clean cut. So you can see that the bar has swollen on either side of the slice, which now runs completely through our original block. The next step is to take that slice and open it up using a series of tapered drifts to form the eye. It's taken 10 heats to get to the point we're at right now. This is the first drift being put in. Down over the hardie hole so you can drive the drift all the way through the block. You can see that this drift is a little narrower than the eye. You'll have to go through twice. Flip the bar over, tap on the end of the drift and remove it. You can see how the size of the hole has been increased on the bottom compared to the top. Taking what's going to be the joint between the blade and the head and drawing it out into a taper before it's split back, prepare the two sides for welding. Slicing down to open up the two lips to receive the cutting edge. Finishing up, roughing out the blade shape. 2 layers of mild steel that have been forge welded to an inner layer of spring steel. Eventually will form the cutting edge. So this is an illustration of the finished tool. You can see that at this point it's been sharpened, properly heat treated, and fitted to a handle about 55 centimeters long. This reconstruction is a little bit longer than the original sample and also considerably heavier through the eye here.